product history of D&H Secheron Electrodes Pvt Limited. 2001 D&H 1225 conforming to ENISR COM01 classification for welding furnace heating elements, reformer tubes, and similar composition alloys. 2002 D&H 444L-15 for welding ASTM CA6NM casting and similar composition materials. The consumable is conforming to the E410 NEMO 15 classification. 2003 Supratherme-Spl, MOD, on electrode to meet HIC, SSCC and impact requirement at -51 degrees Celsius. 2004 Supratherme-Spl, H4R moisture-resistant electrode for producing tough and ductile weld of radiographic quality. 2005 Batox-B, N, stainless steel electrode depositing 19 008 N weld metal, which has excellent resistance to intergranular corrosion.